Welcome to the epitome of luxury living in Vancouver. Today I have the privilege of showing you one of the most extraordinary full-floor residences in the city. An architectural masterpiece that spans the entire 25th floor, offering unparalleled 360-degree views of the mountains, the ocean, and the vibrant cityscape. This is more than just a home, it's a legacy residence currently offered at just under $10 million. The moment you enter, you are greeted by an Italian marble entryway, setting the tone for sophistication that follows. As we make our way into 4,591 square feet of pure elegance, we are greeted by the open concept living, dining, and kitchen area. Imagine preparing your meals here, surrounded by the best in culinary design. This kitchen includes 2 ovens, a steam oven, a quick oven, 2 dishwashers, and multiple refrigerators, all meticulously planned for convenience and style. It's designed for grand gatherings and intimate family moments. Our kitchen is a chef's dream, with Italian cabinetry from Binova, integrated Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, and a 17-foot island. The full-floor residence has 5 luxurious bedrooms, each with a spa-like ensuite. 2 of these ensuites feature steam showers and 1 includes a dry sauna. All of the bathrooms are appointed with high-end fixtures. The primary bedroom is a sanctuary, with a walk-in closet that's a fashion lover's dream. If you want to talk about luxury, this living room overlooks a 300-bottle temperature-controlled wine cellar. But what truly sets this home apart is the 1,697 square feet of outdoor private terraces. These outdoor spaces are accessible from all of the primary rooms in the home. They offer heat lamps on the ceiling, natural gas hookup, and built-in water system as well. Located in the heart of downtown, this full-floor residence is not just a home, but a lifestyle reserved for a select few. I'm Nubila Capitano with Engel & Volkers. Thank you for touring this property with me. If you are also captivated by this incredible residence and would like more information, please reach out. And I will see you on the next tour.